If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our Solana video update. So Bitcoin still looks good, but Solana, for some reason, I told you that it's not a good idea to buy, especially it's never anybody. I mean, ask any professional trader out there, any trader, even a beginner who knows indicators is going to tell you buying at the top of the RSI, buying at the top when you're really pumped like this is never a good idea. Let's say you continue to move higher, fine. But technical wise, if you're trading something, I'm not even talking about long-term investments and stuff like that. If you're in a long-term investment, who cares? Who cares? Who cares what happens here? You're thinking long-term. That's what matters actually. In the next few couple of years, that's what matters. This daily time frame, why does it even matter to you that, oh, we're pushing down or pushing up? You should be looking things after maybe 2 years and then try to observe what happened to your balance. Now, for me personally, this is not a surprise that we're pushing down. And the reason why we're pushing down, of course, again, resistance here, overbought on the RSI as well. So definitely there is a bearish Harami candlestick as well, and that's actually pointing a move to the downside. I'm just going to dive into the 4-hour time frame, and I told you this scenario in the previous videos that this is what you have to do to flip bullish. You do have a little bit of a pennant that is trying to make in the form next to the resistance up here. So if you do try to come above $25, back test this line again, and then you can actually see this thing moving up to $33. But instead, you made the push to the downside, you back tested it, and now you're coming down to potentially a technical target of 21.777, and you can continue lower. But one thing I want to tell you is that if in the future you somehow, if you never know, right? You never know. I'm just telling you that scenario, rare chances, but if it does still happen due to Bitcoin getting bullish or something, then if you do come above here and take out $25 and backtest this thing again, that's still going to remain another pattern to continue to $33. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.